Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to identify rose plants name. So first, go to the Google Play Store into your device and tap the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top and search for picture this. So guys, this application will help us identify a plant name. So just simply download this into your phone and just simply open the application. Now, from here, guys, this will be the homepage of the app once you have logged in into an account. And from here, guys, you could just simply tap the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. And now it will open up a camera, and you could just simply place the plant in the box icon and just simply take a picture of it. Now, this application will help us identify it, and as you can see, it is China Rose. And now from here, you will have a three tabs. You will have overview, you will have care and explore. So here on the overview, you should be able to see the basic information about the plant. And now here on the care tab, as you can see, you should be able to have here the care profile of the plant and how to take care of it. And now you could also go for the explore over here, which you could have a better understanding about the plant. And pretty much this application will help us identify the plant name. There goes. See ya.